Now I bring you this one from the ZF factory. AP Ripple Pixel 16202. This one is a bit different from the one we showed you before. Is a bit different. It's actually a 50-year tribute model. It's a limited edition. Actually, there is no difference in other places. As for the movement, is a 50-year anniversary. An automatic hammer, like the 1500 becomes 1510, is just an automatic hammer. Everything else is the same. This movement is a cloned original movement. But this one is a little different from the 1550. It is a modified movement from the 915. It is not a true monolithic movement. Okay. Because of this, because it is very thin, let's take a look at the size of this caliper. The thickness is 8.6. The diameter is 39. Okay. It's very thin. This is a very thin and powerful watch. And then you can see the movable head. The entire watch strap is brushed, which is very beautiful, including the bezel and case are brushed. It's very perfect. ZF factory folding buckle. As for the movement, it also looks quite decent. Let's take a look at this. In addition, when you open it, first gear, there is only one gear to adjust the time. There is no so-called calendar setting. You have to adjust the time to adjust the calendar. Well, this looks a bit low-end. But the original one is like this. This is very interesting. On the contrary, the low version, you can directly adjust the calendar. Take a closer look. It has a very classic pixel layout. Here is an AP logo. And Auto Bianchi. And two hands. The solid center axis adjustment pin. And the pointers are polished without any problems. At 6 o'clock, there are two letters AP. The two words AP. The screw and the ring are in the right position. It's in a horizontal state. The strap is brushed very well. Wearing it, it looks very handsome.